Hey everybody, this is Chris with High Seas Cruising. On our way to Las Vegas. We just got here to the airport. So we're gonna go inside, get all checked in, and head out to the gate terminal. We'll see you guys there. Cheese.
Cheese.
James Lee Holmes. Please report terminating check on property.
All right, we have made it inside to the gate after a good molestation by the TSA. So now we're just waiting for our plane to get here. Keep an eye out for it. We've got about an hour before it gets here, so we're gonna be waiting. Just gonna wave hi, you're on the airplane.
Flight attendants, take your seat for takeoff.
Okay, so we have arrived in Las Vegas. We got checked into our room. I'll say one thing. Frontier Airlines, they're definitely a no-frills airlines. No snacks, no drinks unless you pay for them. Seats were a little uncomfortable, I have to admit. It was a non-stop flight, so backside was hurting a little bit by the time we got here. But the plane was clean, looked new. It was nice. It's just definitely no frills whatsoever. We're going to go down to the casino now, kind of check that out, check out the hotel, find some food. All right, so I got the hot pastrami sandwich. Let's take a quick look at this thing. I mean, look at that. That is how a sandwich should be. I mean, meat just falling out. That looks good. What'd you get, baby?
Turkey club.
Turkey club? There's Excalibur across the street.
Yeah. That's what I was trying to tell you in the Uber, but you weren't listening. They have a Dick's Last Resort over there.
I see it. There's the Tropicana. There's MGM over there. See, the Shake Shack is like out here somewhere.
There's the sign for it.
They have the Statue of Liberty wearing a mask.
That's the Irish pub, but it's closed.
This is the Tom Urbans.
Yeah.
Got some real pretty lights back here.
Or not.
All right, so we're just walking around the New York still, kind of checking everything out on the inside. Now we're walking around on the outside. There's quite a bit of lights. You can see them all behind me. I think it's supposed to be like a Central Park area you can kind of walk through. Got some waterfalls, lights changing color. I mean, it's pretty nice out here. We're gonna keep going and see what else we can see. Still got a few hours yet today. We'll probably mess around and see what we can find.
That way, over the bridge.
Yeah, to go into the, because that's where we're going, is the ABC store over there. All right, we're gonna go into the ABC stores here. Let's see if we can find it in this one right here.
They run it sometimes at night. They run it all the time. Yeah, ain't nobody on it right now. And it be on there like y'all gonna be here for 2 days.
All right, we're back in the room, and we are gonna call it a night. It has been a long day for us. 2-hour time change is also playing havoc with us. We're really tired. So we did go through the New York casino. We went down and ate at the deli. Went out and walked up and down the strip a little bit. And then we went and walked around MGM, since it's right across the street from us here. A little disappointed in the MGM. Almost everything in there was closed. It was virtually a ghost town over there. I know they said with everything going on that it's slow right now here in Vegas, Monday through Thursday. But wow, it's dead over there. And like I said, almost nothing's open, so it's almost not even worth going over there right now. And then we ended the day by coming back over here to New York, and hitting Shake Shack and get a little dessert tonight. So now we're gonna get a little sleep, and we got two more full days here. Sorry, I'm tired. So we'll get up early and get started and see what else we can see tomorrow. Y'all have a good night, and we'll talk to y'all tomorrow.